Here's some Walker Evans trivia. Subscribe. What medium is Walker Evans primarily known for? Is it A, film, B, painting, C, photography, or D, sculpture? The correct answer is C, photography. Which American city did Walker Evans document extensively? Is it A, New York City, B, Los Angeles, C, San Francisco, or D, Chicago? The correct answer is A, New York City. In which year was Walker Evans born? Is it A, 1903, B, 1905, C, 1901, or D, 1898? The correct answer is A, 1903. In which American state did Evans grow up? Is it A, Florida, B, Connecticut, C, Texas, or D, California? The correct answer is B, Connecticut. Which prominent magazine featured Evans' work in the 1930s? Is it A, Life, B, Time, C, Fortune, or D, Vogue? The correct answer is C, Fortune. What type of subjects did Evans frequently capture? Is it A, animals, B, everyday people, C, landscapes, or D, celebrities? The correct answer is B, everyday people. What notable New Deal program employed Evans? Is it A, Social Security Act, B, Public Works Administration, C, Farm Security Administration, or D, Civilian Conservation Corps? The correct answer is C, Farm Security Administration. With which famous writer collaborated Evans? Is it A, Ernest Hemingway, B, William Faulkner, C, James E. or D, F, Scott Fitzgerald? The correct answer is C, James G. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.